Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, I hope that you had a fantastic weekend, and I hope that you're ready for another week of work. And you know, when we do our Number Corners, we always start with a prediction. So, what do you think will be on our calendar card for today? So, let's go and see if your prediction for today's card was correct. Did you predict that there would be some apples, some reds, and some greens? Of course, we're going to go and take a closer look at this card. So, as always, we know that we can come up with a math story that represents our card. So, today I think I'm going to go with the story about my friend James. James brought 8 apples from the store. 4 of the apples were red. How many were green? And we know altogether he brought 8. So James brought 8 apples from the store. 4 of them are green. And 4 of them are red and the rest of them are green. So how many would be green? It would be 4. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our date. And you know, whenever we say our date, we always start with the day of the week. So today is Monday, October 19th, 2020. Let's say that together one more time. Today is Monday, October 19th, 2020. Now, let's say our days of the week, and we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So from our calendar, we know that today is Monday. Now, first graders, use those fantastic reading skills and read with me. Yesterday was. What was yesterday? It was Sunday, and I hope you had a fantastic Sunday. So let's read and use those skills again. Tomorrow will be. What will tomorrow be? If today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now let's keep it moving. And we are going to say the months of the year. And we always start with January, and then we go to this month. That's where we stop. Let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. And we see that October is the 10th month of the year. Now we're going to write our date 2 different ways. The first way, what month of the year is it? It is the 10th month, which is October, and our date is the 19th, and our year is 2020, but you know I never write all that. I only write the 2 last digits, the 2 and the 0. Now I'm going to write the abbreviation for October, period, and we know that today is the 19th day in October, and our year is 2020. This time write all 4 digits. And on Friday, we were in school for 19 days. Today is a brand new day. So we have to add one more. And you know what? We have a total of, let's see how many we have here. We now have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have another group of 10. And when we have a group of 10, we have to put them all together. So there we go. We now have 3 groups of 10. So now, first graders, we know that 3 groups of 10 makes 30. How do we know? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. So here's our number 30. And then I'm going to write the word 30. And we know with this two-digit number, what number's in the tens place is the 3. We have 3 groups of 10. And we have 0 ones. 0, 0. And we know that we can make 4 different equations using the fact families. So let's go ahead and do 30 plus 0 equals 30. And then we're just going to switch it up. Remember, switch those places. 30 or 0 plus 30 equals 30. And then for our subtraction, we always have to put the total in the front. So 30 take away 0 makes 30. And then 30 take away 30 makes 0. Okay, let's keep it going. Now, first graders, you know for the month of October, we have been collecting our 2D shapes. Here is my handy dandy spinner and my handy dandy bag with my 2D shapes. So let's go see how many shapes we're going to collect for today. We are going to collect, it landed right there. Actually, I don't really have to hold it. We are going to collect 5 shapes for today. Let's see what I got here. We have a hexagon. We have a rhombus, another rhombus, triangle, and a trapezoid. Now let's go ahead and add those to this week's chart. So we saw that we collected 1 triangle, 1 trapezoid, can I do this? 2, oops, 2 rhombuses. I tried to hold in one hand, can't really do it. And 1 hexagon. Now, first graders, I love how many of you have been doing your number corners and coming up with those math stories. So creative. I cannot wait to hear today's. Go ahead and go to the next slide, my friends. Bye-bye.